This 5-year-old boy started joyfully drifting in a 1,001 horsepower Lamborghini. During the celebratory donuts, the boy carefully monitors and calculates the positions of all nearby objects. This is young Zain Sofuoglu, and despite being only 5 years old, Zain is a highly skilled driver. He competes successfully in karting, and to win in drag racing, all he needs is a faster car. When he was only 18 months old, he was already riding a bicycle, and after that, he switched to an 1,800cc motorcycle. At the age of 5, with a special permit, Zain began racing motorcycles and karting, despite the fact that his rivals are almost always twice his age. He was already spinning donuts in a SF90 at the age of 3, and of course jumping over the revuelto in his buggy. It seems like this boy learned to drive before he could even walk. Recently, Zain amazed the world when he got behind the wheel of a Lamborghini revuelto. A special child seat and pedal extenders were installed so the boy could reach the pedal. On a straight runway, Zain accelerated the hybrid supercar to 194 miles per hour. And take note of his focus. His eyes are locked on the horizon, and after crossing the line, he glances at the dashboard, then the rear view mirror, and back to the horizon during braking. Even when his father reaches out for a congratulatory handshake, Zain shakes his hand without taking his eyes off the road.